Okay, young chefs, last step. We made it. All we're gonna do is put our batter into the pan and bake it. Let's go ahead and bake it for 50 minutes. So we got 50 minutes. What can we do? Let's see. Okay, now it's time to check our bread. Make sure you have an oven mitt because it will be hot. To check if our bread's ready, we stick a toothpick in there. If the toothpick doesn't come out clean, we need to put our bread in for a few more minutes and check again. Test number 2. Perfect. Congratulations, young chefs. You should be so proud of yourselves. Enjoy every bite of it and also share it with your friends and family. All right. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be putting out more videos, all new recipes, and all new kitchen skills. Hope to see you soon. Hey. Where's your brother?